Tummy time is when you place your baby on their stomach while they're awake and supervised. This is an important activity because it helps your baby develop strong muscles and coordination skills. In this video, we'll discuss what tummy time is, when to start, how to do it, best positions, and why it's so important for your baby's growth and development. Tummy time can begin as early as a few days after birth, as long as your baby is awake and alert. The first sessions can be around 3 to 5 minutes, and as your baby grows and develops, you can gradually increase the amount of time they spend on their tummy. By 3 months of age, your baby should be spending at least 30 to 60 minutes per day on their stomach. There are a few different positions you can use for tummy time. The most common is placing your baby on their stomach with their arms in front of them. You can also try holding your baby on your chest or lap, or using a rolled-up towel or small pillow to prop them up. When your baby is on the floor, it helps to get down and join them, and show them how excited you are to have some fun. Feel free to talk to them, play with them, and encourage them to lift their head and look around. You can also use toys or a mirror to engage your baby. When it comes to toys, think about different colors, textures, and sounds that will keep your baby curious and interested. Soft, plush toys with various bumps, ridges, or crinkles can be used to encourage babies to reach and grasp. Soft and lightweight balls can also be fun for your baby to bat around and even try to chase after. Tummy time is important because it helps your baby develop strong muscles in their neck, back, and shoulders. This helps them learn to roll over, crawl, and eventually walk. It also helps prevent flat spots on the back of the head, which can develop if a baby spends too much time on their back. Start tummy time early. Gradually increase the amount of time your baby spends on their tummy, and have fun engaging with your little one during this important activity. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more parenting tips from Enfamil. And visit us at enfamil.com.